children, good morning. Very beautiful morning to all of you. So, lastly, we have seen about the solar system, about universe and about earth. So, today we'll continue with our planet. There are total 8 planets are there. So, let's start with first, that is Mercury. This planet is closest to the sun. It is yellowish in color. Mercury does not have atmosphere or satellite. From the earth we can see Mercury in the sky for some time before sunrise and after sunrise. So see here in the picture, Mercury is there. It is yellowish in color and it is the closest planet to the sun. It is near the sun and it does not have atmosphere. It does not have its own light. Satellite means not light. It is taking from light from the other planet. And from the earth we can see Mercury in the sky for some time. At what time we can see the Mercury? Before sunrise and after sunset. This time we can see the Mercury from our eyes, and this is the closest planet to the earth. And in which color it is? It is in yellow color. Now second one is Venus. It is the most dazzling planet in the solar system, most beautiful planet. Which is the most beautiful planet? Venus. Second one is Venus. In size and weight it is like earth. So according to the size and weight it seems like the earth. It like earth, twin brother of the earth. So here it is the, we can have to underline the twin brother of the earth. It resembles the moon in shine. It does not have a satellite, so it take a light from the moon. Because it does not have a satellite, due to thick due to thick cover of gases and clouds around it, it is less knowledgeable it is about it. So what there it is? It is the most beautiful planet in the solar system, and it is like weight and height both similar to the earth. So it is called the twin brother of the earth. It takes from shine from the moon, but it is covered with thick gases of atmosphere. See here in the picture, it is covered with thick cover of gases and clouds. So the scientists cannot find more about that Venus planet because it is of covered with thick gases. Okay. So first Mercury we have seen that it is the closest planet to the sun, and Venus, it is the twin brother of the earth. Now third is earth. Earth is located between Venus and Mars. So which two places it is located between? Venus and Mars. Earth completes one rotation around the sun on its axis in 24 hours. So at how many hours? So it completes its rotation in sun hour 24 hours, while the earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days. So earth on sun it is completing on 24 hours. It takes 1 hour. But when the earth complete revolution around the sun, when sun take revolution, see here like that, sun is taking revolution. Here is the sun. And second one is the earth. So earth take 24 hour, sun take 24 hour, right? And if sun have to complete its rotation, if the earth have to complete its rotation, then what? It take 365 days. Okay. Even such a day and night and the change of the season can only be seen here. Earth has one satellite, that is moon. So here, if it is not proper, let me show you once again that earth complete one rotation around the sun, that is sun, and so here I am taking blue ink as a sun, okay? Not yellow as a sun. Yellow as a sun. And blue as a earth. So when the earth completes its one rotation, it takes 24 hours a day. While the earth complete one revolution around the sun, it is in 365 days. Okay. So you've seen that it completed its revolution and rotation about the period. Revolution means changes for it take 1 hour, 1 year, and on sun on its axis it take 24 hours. Now moon, it is the only satellite of earth. It take about 27.3 days to complete its rotation on its axis around the sun. So what moon take 27.3 days to complete one rotation, means here one round around it exists on the sun. There is no atmosphere on the moon. There is no life in it. Still, we are telling in this textbook that there is no life in it, but you have seen that it was scientists and they are going in space for finding a life on the moon. They have found that there are land is also there. There are many things is also there. Life is there. So scientists are in research to find that there is life or not. Okay. It's as there is no water atmosphere above the moon, it is non-luminous body. It is illuminated by the sun. So non-luminous means it does not have its own light. It takes light from the sun. So there is no water and no atmosphere. So it takes light from the sun. Due to falling of meteors, the surface of the moon, large bit have formed. Meteors, we have seen that it is big stone-like structure. When it's falling from the moon, then what large pits have been formed? Big mountains, or it can be formed, or mountain can be turned into valley. Extinct volcanoes are found here. So volcanoes can be formed through this meteors falling from the moon. Okay. Now fourth one is Mars. It is beautiful lead color illuminated planet. Atmosphere of Mars is lighter. As per season, more cloud and heat is there on Mars. It has 2 satellites. Scientists are trying to develop organism on Mars. Mars is very beautiful and it is a red color planet. So which color planet it is? Red color planet, and its atmosphere is lighter. As per the seasons, more cloud and heat is there on the Mars. If winter season, then more cold. In summer, more heat. According to the seasons, that the cold and heat are changing. It has 2 satellites, and scientists are trying to develop organism on Mars. That have to see that life is there. Is taking someone people to tell people to take place in that moon like this. So scientists are finding that. Now here it is having the 2 satellites, right? So this is the homework for you. You have to find which 2 satellites are there for Mars. Okay. So in next lecture we'll discuss about this, and you just keep ready with this 2 book. The 2 satellites name. Okay. I will say and you think that it is correct or not. Okay. Thank you children. Have a great day.